For this program, you're going to learn about broadcasting. Broadcasting is a way for two or more sprites to communicate with each other so that when one does something, it can tell the other one it's turn to do something. So you'll end up using two tiles from the control section. One of them is called the broadcast tile. There are actually two different ones. One's a broadcast and wait. We'll talk about the difference between those. And there's also a when I receive tile. So broadcasts out a message telling another sprite to do something. When I receive says, hey, when I heard that message, it's my turn to do something. I better do my thing. Okay, so we're going to start a new Snap program. It's a good idea to go ahead and start saving it. So I am going to save it as vacation because you're going to make a vacation slideshow followed by your last name. And for this one, we are going to also change the background image. So the background they call the stage. So to do this, we're going to click on the stage. That's your background. And you're going to add some costumes to the stage. You can pick whatever you want. I'm going to go to the backgrounds. I said costumes for the stage, but backgrounds. Pick what you want. I think I'm going to do some different ones for a vacation. So I'm just going to pick something that I think looks kind of vacation-y. So I think I'm going to pick, I don't know, just play around. I think I got the Berkeley mural. I'm just going to pick a few of them. Let's see. Whatever you guys think looks good. You can also, if you don't want those, you can also go search for a picture. Like let's say you want to picture Disney World or Epcot or something like that. Download your picture. So go to the images. Pick a picture you like. That one looks kind of good. Right click on it and save the image as. You'll have to save it. And then when it downloads, you can hopefully just drag it in there. Let's see if that works. See how that works? Nice, neat, easy peasy. So I'm going to find a couple other ones I like and then just go along with it. So I think I like Magic Kingdom at Disney World because I like Disney World. Now I'm just being kind of trying to do it the easiest way possible. So I'm just picking some pictures. You may have fun with it, make it your own, all that fun stuff. And pick one more picture. Oh, let's see, Animal Kingdom at Disney World. There should be like a tree or something. Usually is what shows up. Again, just save it. Just right click. However you right click on your Chromebook. Make sure you save it. And then all you have to do again is go to Snap, take the picture, and drag it in, and it adds it. Some of them fit in better. That's just according to the resolution of the picture. You can always change the size just by going to looks and stretching it, changing the width, playing around with it, whatever you want. Okay, I think I'm going to get rid of that Berkeley one. So I think I'm going to right click on that Berkeley one and delete it. And then get one more. There are 4 parks at Disney World. The only one I haven't gotten is Hollywood Studios. So I think I'm going to grab a picture of that. Those are also here. Bells Tower of Terror. That's a good one. And then just drag it in. Okay. On your real AP test, if you use a picture like this, you're probably going to have to keep track of the website you got it from. But for me in class, no big deal. We're good. Okay. So now, after we've gotten our background images, we're going to make it to where we have a sprite that introduces each picture, and then it's going to switch between, so you can do like a little slideshow of your vacation. So I'm going to start back with Epcot, so I'm going to put it on there. Okay, so I'm going to start with this background. You can start with any background you want. I'm just starting with that one. And I'm going to go to Control and do one of those when flag clicked. And I'm going to tell it which background to go to, because I want to make sure that the picture in the background matches up to whatever my guy's going to tell the story about my vacation. So I'm going to start with Epcot. Okay, so now that I've done that, I've got this picture going on. I'm going to go to the broadcast and wait so that it will broadcast a message, wait for the other sprite to do something, and go from there. So I want the stage to change, I want a sprite to introduce it, and all that kind of stuff. So I've got the Epcot one. So I'm going to broadcast something new. You can, once you click on new, tell it whatever you want. So I'm going to broadcast the message Epcot so that my sprite knows to say, hey, we went to Epcot. Now my sprite, kind of boring right there. I think I'm going to go Google like Mickey Mouse or something for fun. Download a picture. Hopefully there's a nice easy picture. There, that's a good one. We're going with it. And then go put the Mickey picture in there for my sprite. So make sure you click on the sprite and his costume. And then click in there. So now I got a Mickey. It will let you edit it because I don't like all that white. But you know, you can leave it if you want. A quick way to get the transparent is to click right here. And click on the bucket. And then click in the white. You'll probably have multiple places you have to click in the white. And I'm not going to get all of it. I'm doing my best to do this really quickly. Okay. So, see, I didn't do the best job, but we're going to go with it for now. He's a little big. I'm going to make him smaller. Nah, we're just going to let it go. Okay, so now when my Mickey Mouse receives the message that it switched to Epcot, so when he receives, click on the little drop down and pick Epcot. Now he's going to say something about, hey, I went to Epcot. Again, we're making this pretty basic. You can make it say whatever you want. So I went to looks. And I'm going to pick a say tile. So I'm going to make it say, it says Epcot. Make it more fun. I'm just trying to make this through whatever. So after it says that for 2 seconds, I'm going to then switch to my Magic Kingdom. So I'm going to then broadcast. And I'm going to tell it to broadcast something new. So I'm going to broadcast Magic Kingdom. When I do that, then I need to tell the stage when you get Magic Kingdom. So when it receives the Magic Kingdom one, to switch to the costume, which is the background, the Magic Kingdom. I also need to tell my sprite that when it receives Magic Kingdom, to say, this is the Magic Kingdom, and then broadcast. You're going to keep repeating this. You have 4 slides to do. So then, after Magic Kingdom, whatever one I had next, it really doesn't matter. I think I had Animal Kingdom. Just keep going. I'm not going to finish doing all 4 of them. You get the idea. So when I click the flag, you should say this is Epcot, then this is the Magic Kingdom, and then I didn't do the rest. You're going to do 4 slides. Figure you can figure that out. Make sure you save as you go repeatedly, because you know how our internet kind of goes in and out. And when you're done, you're going to export your project and then upload it to Google Classroom. Make sure you put your name in there. If you ever accidentally click on it, it will show you the code, like the XML code, like HTML sort of, the internet code basically, how it runs in your browser. It'll have the code for that. Don't worry about reading it. Just upload it to Google Classroom. And you are done. Well, you're going to finish your other 2 slides and then you're done. If you need help, ask.